What is going on, guys? It's Monday at the shop here. We're in the process of filming a whole series, a build series for our next giveaway. If you guys have any idea what it might be, we're going to be filming this, releasing it all kind of sequentially for you guys, telling you all about it. Got some exciting stuff coming up.
So I got this axle out, and it's like a Chinese finger trap. We just can't get it out. So the worst part about ordering McMaster, I always wait till the end of the day because, you know, you might forget something. Well, a lot of the times I forget to place the order. Then I will place the order, and now I'm like, oh, as soon as I place it, forgot to get shaft collars.
Duh. We just hit 100,000 subscribers here on YouTube. I want to say a big thanks to everybody that has subscribed and watches the videos. But we're going to be waiting on our plaque coming in here soon, so we'll show you guys that once it comes in. A little bit of a waiting game for it though. Just hit 4K.
Did we?
So for everybody that's wondering, we still have 3 trikes left. 3? 4? 4. And we are doing a special allocation list. If you guys want to buy one, we're sick of dealing with the jerk-offs out there. And oh yeah, gotta be in the USA too. People that have way too much money and don't have any idea what they're doing. People asking us after they buy one, how do I start this? Things like that. But we still have them. They're not on the website. You have to message us and then basically tell us why you're not a jerk off. And then we'll sell you one. But we have 4 left. No more full builds after that. Actually, there's a red one over there that's almost all put together. Who knows what we're going to do with that one.
Pretty much it comes down to you have to get accepted, go through our program, through our process of application to be able to have the ability to purchase one of these trikes. Because we've just had way too many issues with people getting them that probably shouldn't.
So we're in the process of getting this new giveaway going. So there's a lot of things that we're going to be doing different this time around. Some different merch, new merch, high quality merch. And the actual unit that's going to be the giveaway is going to blow your minds. It's not going to be just the drift cart. We'll just leave it at that for right now. Ben said we're going to finish this drift cart today.
I said it's going to be pretty close to being done today.
That's not what he said earlier.
Russ, we're going to completely finish this ghost cart today.
Oh, also, we got a new camera. This is the Sony FX6.
I mean, you can't discount, there might be some camera nerds out there like yourself.
Yeah, well, if you guys want to know, I'm using the Sony FX6. Pretty sweet camera. Trying it out for 30 days. And then we got a lens from Borrow Lenses. 35mm 1.4 G Master. If you guys wonder why the quality is so good, that's why.
So probably our most asked question is, what are these bolts in the back? These are 5/16 24. We should have did a better job. Remember we used to put stickers on them? How many people ask us that? So the reason why these are 5/16 24, which is a little bit of a, I want to say goofy size, but that's the same size of our Heim joints. So whenever I make these, that makes it so I only have to make one part instead of having a bunch of them with a bunch of different thread sizes and getting things mixed up. So
you never want to get things mixed up.
You don't, because you know those jerk-offs around here, they'd, oh, look, there's a part, and wouldn't even check the thread size. You know how many issues we would have if you had to have somebody compute in their mind and figure out a thread size? It'd be a disaster. Absolute disaster. Used to play basketball back in the day. Never was on a team or anything, but just in the backyard. I tried like in the 6th grade, and they had everybody made the team but me. I was the only guy.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Ken Lock. I mean, I'm not saying anything. It's not the truth.
You have to let us know what you guys think about this color that we picked for the ghost cart. What's this called, Ben? Orange Slice? Orange Pop? Illusion Orange? We did a ton of trikes in this. This is probably one of the most popular sellers whenever we were doing the kind of order before you pre-order, you know. We sold a ton of these things. They looked really cool with the silver wheels, looked really cool with the black wheels. Kind of looked like a Harley Davidson orange. This one's gonna be getting chrome wheels. It's got the ghost on it. Like Ben was saying, we were thinking about putting a clutch on it so it wasn't so gnarly and doing wheelies and everything. But we ended up going with the torque converter, just because we can't put out something to our winners that is toned down. Well guys, I'm going to end this video here. I got to go get this edited and hopefully up by 5 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Not sure how long this is going to be. If you like to give a thumbs up, subscribe, drop us any comments that you might have. We'll see you guys in the next one real soon. Peace.